You earned $175,000 as a 1099 Locum Tenens nurse practitioner last year. You already know you owe self-employment tax, that painful 15.3% hit. But here's what most 1099 clinicians miss. The IRS lets you deduct half of that self-employment tax from your income. For you, that's about $11,500 you can subtract before calculating your income tax. Let me show you exactly how this works. First, let's understand why this deduction exists. When you're a W-2 employee, your employer pays half of your Social Security and Medicare taxes. You never see that money. But when you're self-employed, you pay both halves, the full 15.3%. The IRS created this deduction to put you on roughly equal footing with W-2 workers. Here's the mechanical process. You calculate your net self-employment income on Schedule C. That's your gross income minus business expenses. Then you multiply that by 92.35% and calculate your self-employment tax on Schedule SE. Finally, you take exactly half of that SE tax and enter it on Schedule 1. That amount reduces your adjusted gross income. Let's run real numbers. Say you earned $175,000 gross and had $12,000 in business expenses. Your net self-employment income is $163,000. Multiply by 92.35% to get your SE tax base of about $150,500. Your self-employment tax comes to roughly $23,000. Half of that, about $11,500, is your deduction. Now here's where it gets good. If you're in the 32% tax bracket, that $11,500 deduction saves you about $3,700 in federal income tax. You still pay the full $23,000 in self-employment tax. The deduction doesn't change that, but your income tax bill drops by nearly $4,000. That's real money back in your pocket. One critical thing to understand: this is an above-the-line deduction. It reduces your AGI regardless of whether you itemize or take the standard deduction. And a lower AGI can create a cascade of benefits, potentially lower tax brackets, better eligibility for retirement contributions, even lower student loan payments if you're on income-driven repayment. The biggest mistake I see: clinicians thinking this deduction reduces their self-employment tax. It doesn't. You still owe the full 15.3%. It only reduces your income tax by lowering your AGI. Don't undercalculate your quarterly payments because you misunderstood this. If you're earning above $100,000 in 1099 income, you should also know about S-CorpElection. It's a different strategy that can save even more on self-employment tax, but it comes with additional complexity and costs. The right choice depends on your specific numbers. The self-employment tax deduction is automatic when you file Schedule SE. Your tax software handles it. But understanding how it works helps you project quarterly payments accurately and make smarter decisions about your overall tax strategy. If you're a 1099 nurse practitioner or advanced practice provider and want personalized guidance, book a free consultation at nursepractax.com/consult. The enrolled agents and tax attorneys there specialize in helping clinicians like you keep more of what you earn. Book your free consultation at nursepractax.com/consult.